If you're part of a creative team, you already know how important it is to stay organized and on track with deadlines. But with multiple projects and constant shifts, how can you ensure your team is using their time efficiently? In this video, I'll show you how to use time tracking software for creative teams in just 3 minutes. Stick around till the end for an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today, available only to viewers of my channel. To start, time tracking software for creative teams is all about capturing how your team spends time on different tasks, whether it's brainstorming, design, client calls, or revisions. The goal is to give both managers and team members clear insights into how time is being spent so everyone can stay productive. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your projects and tasks within the software. For example, if you're working on multiple campaigns, you can create a separate project for each one. Under each project, break down tasks like content creation, design revisions, or client meetings. The more specific, the better. It'll make it easier to see where time is going. Once your tasks are set up, encourage your team to start tracking their time. They can do this manually or use automatic tracking features that will capture how long they spend on each task. You can even set up reminders so no one forgets to start or stop the timer. But here's the key. Creative work can be unpredictable. Sometimes tasks take longer than expected, or on the flip side, are completed more quickly. This is where time tracking software shines. You'll be able to see where projects are getting stuck, where the team is excelling, and where there might be room to improve. The software we'll be using today also has powerful reporting features, so you can easily see how much time is spent on each project and task. This lets you analyze trends and adjust your workflow for better efficiency. You can also generate invoices based on tracked hours, which is especially helpful for freelance teams or billing clients. But here's a pro tip. Don't focus just on the numbers. Time tracking software for creative teams isn't about micromanaging. It's about getting a clearer picture of how your team works and using that data to improve productivity and reduce stress. This insight will help your team prioritize tasks, avoid burnout, and ultimately deliver more impactful work. At this point, you might be wondering, what's the best software for time tracking? After trying the most popular ones, I recommend this software because of its ease of use, powerful tracking capabilities, and seamless integration with project management tools. And remember, if you want to try it out for yourself, you can follow the link in the description below for an exclusive free trial, available only to my channel's viewers. So, what should you take away from today's video? Time tracking software is a game changer for creative teams. It helps you stay organized, focused, and efficient while giving you valuable insights into how time is being spent on every project. Remember to set up your projects, track tasks, use reporting features for analysis, and adjust your workflow for continuous improvement. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.